Hello everyone, welcome back to the Wolf, and this is just a quick short video today. I want to discuss that the price of Bitcoin is pumping towards the upside continuously, month after month after month, and not even one red candle is being found. Not about doji, but I would say a small body red candle is also not being found. You can clearly see starting from here, green, 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 green. This is a doji candle right here, but obviously in some brokers chart it can be a red candle, but that does not really matter. What I'm seeing is a strong red candle like this, and you can clearly see green, green, like no red candle at all, and which is a bad thing because obviously this all happened because of the spot Bitcoin ETF and the heavy buying in it. And I just want to tell you guys that those ETF companies will sell Bitcoin also at the perfect time when they see, because they have to book the profit of their customers' money. So don't be just in greedy that okay, the all-time high is now did a breakout, I will sell my house, I will go all in. No, that's not how you trade, or that's not how you invest your money. I will recommend you all, because of course in the future and in the long term Bitcoin will go to 100k and more, but investing all of your money is not good, and especially when the fear and greed index is so high. Not only about fear and greed index, any normal retailer or any other normal person will come in FOMO and buy or take high leverage positions on Bitcoin after seeing this chart right here, continuous green candle pump, and all the FOMO and FUD going all around the internet and by these big YouTubers. So I will just recommend that there is a need of a huge correction towards the downside, maybe to 50k is what I am preferring right now, somewhat over till here. 50k is what I am preferring, that yes, it has to come, but obviously the main reason it is not coming is because of the spot Bitcoin ETF. And I will not be surprised if the price of Bitcoin dumps till 50k in the next week or the next month. So let's see what happens, because in general trading, like this parabolic pump towards the upside and all green candles is very rare, and whenever something like this happens, there is a mirror correction. Means that if this pump happened like this, same dump will happen like this only in the same time span only. So if the pump took, I would say 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 months, the huge dump will take only 6 to 7 months only. So I hope you understand what mirror correction means right here. Obviously the price of Bitcoin won't go till $20,000, but still I'm saying that the price of Bitcoin has to come down at $50,000 approx. Also the same is with the Ethereum. I'm on the Ethereum's monthly time frame chart, and here also you can clearly see like this huge parabolic pump. And what's the special thing about Ethereum is you can clearly see the sign of bulls gaining momentum. You can clearly see how one candle is becoming bigger, 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 bigger and bigger. That means the bulls are gaining momentum. Well, it is a very good price action and a very healthy price action. However, still it is a continuous green candles and a parabolic pump. This means there are chances that obviously some sellers can come in, and I will just recommend to not go high leverage positions long, or just do some stupid things with your investments and with your funds. Of course you can buy and hold Bitcoin and Ethereum if you want for long term, and that will be beneficial for sure, but still going long and with high leverage positions coming in FOMO and greediness is not good after seeing this types of charts. And this month you can clearly see only 3 days are remaining right now, and today is Friday, so on Monday April will be beginning. You can clearly see how this month's candle went all the way up till here, at $4,120 and got rejected heavily from here. This purple zone is a very important resistance zone from $4,015 approx to $3,830, and the price of Ethereum still has to make an all-time high. And this is the best part, that most of the time Ethereum outperforms Bitcoin and pumps more than it. However, this time it is not happening. Why? Same reason, because of spot Bitcoin ETF and the FOMO behind Bitcoin. Everyone is going long and everyone is buying Bitcoin. It is not a good sign, I would say, still, because obviously the Bitcoin is pumping, and due to which each and every crypto is pumping. But still there has to be some time given to other cryptos to pump too, and not just pump like this parabolic and still not able to make their all-time high. I don't know if you are able to understand what I'm saying, but in the shorter term a huge correction has to come, according to me, in Bitcoin and Ethereum both. So let's see what happens. You can see right here, this candle right here, monthly candle, if it closed below this white resistance zone, then I can say that yeah, maybe sellers can be more active next month, in the April's month. I will definitely show you more analysis on the daily time frame. And clearly the price of Ethereum got a very solid rejection from here. And talking about the volume, you can clearly see this whole volume is very high. You can see high, then it got more, then it got more, some less, and then more. So the volume is also increasing. However, still the price of Ethereum is unable to break this resistance. This means there are chances that sellers can come in the market as well. Also, I'm talking about this white zone right here. I have mentioned it in my videos a lot, from 3,342 to $3,530 approx. This is a very important zone, and the price of Ethereum is doing a breakout and then again going in, doing a breakout, going in, like this it is happening. So if the price of Ethereum in the next 3 days manages to closes inside this wide resistance zone, then there are chances that sellers can come in, and we can see some correction might be in the couple of weeks and months for sure. And if a solid correction happens, then I'm expecting the price of Ethereum to at least dump till here, this zone right here, at $2,732 to $2,536. This is a very important support, purple zone, for the price of Ethereum, as you can clearly see right here also. And it has not done a retest of this zone also, it has just did a breakout continuously without any retest as well. And also there is some news right now coming that Ethereum spot ETF is also coming, and SEC won't allow it. It is seeing Ethereum as a security and this and that, and I would say it's just all bullshit. They are trying to control crypto, they are indirectly trying to regulate crypto, and it's just simple as that. And no one of them is trying to understand it. Each and every person in the crypto is just now blindfolded with their profits. They are just seeing their small green profits, they are seeing their portfolio growing up in green numbers each and every day, and they are just quiet. No one is talking about the long term, on what is happening, why Bitcoin was made, what's the main point of it, and still what is happening to it today, and a lot of things right now. And I won't tell this in today's video, and definitely if you want to hear all of that, the harsh reality, I would say, then do comment down. Okay, so guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you understand that what I am expecting for the price of Bitcoin and Ethereum. And as a trader, I will obviously expect a retest and a correction towards the downside only, but that is not happening, and it is making the future worse and worse. However, until and unless the spot Ethereum ETF is accepted, I am confident in the Ethereum's price action, that yes, a small dump has to come towards the downside, but still all depends on Bitcoin only. if Bitcoin pumps, each and every crypto will pump, and vice versa. So let's see what happens. And yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.